Cathedral Wash is a canyon tributary of the Colorado River in the Marble Canyon section near Page, Arizona. It's a popular 3-mile return hike, often visited by families and scout groups. There are a few minor downclimbs where you'll need to be comfortable with a little bit of exposure, but the hike should be suitable for anyone with hiking experience. The trailhead is signed and has a long pull-out. It's about 2 miles up the road towards Lee's Ferry off the US 89A. We are told what to do. This is a very civilised canyon experience. We get a paved path for a section of narrows, perhaps, through the road. As Dorothy said, "Oh Toto, we're not in sandstone anymore." The canyon cuts through Kaibab limestone and the Toroweep Formation. As a result, the canyon has a different look and feel to the typical Colorado slot canyons that form in sandstone, often in the Navajo layer. We've reached our first proper drop. We can down climb 20 yards to the right, walking, ducking under the cave, and then eventually we'll get back down to the canyon floor. And then another drop here. We've wind walked to the right and scrambled back in. It's an out and back hike, so you'll be coming back up through the canyon on the return to your car. It will take about an hour to reach the river. Just wind walking around the little pool. I think we have to switch sides here. The limestone has been worn down into ledges, so you'll often have the option of staying high to avoid pools or mud. The downclimbs back to the canyon floor should be straightforward as long as you look around or send a scout out front on point. It does seem we spent most of our time on higher ledges. Going to turn a corner, looks like that's the end of the narrows. I think I can hear the Colorado, so it must be just round to the left there. The Colorado River makes a perfect picnic lunch spot, and you have the option of a swim to cool off beneath the rapids. If you're lucky, you might spot a rafting team starting their Colorado journey here, heading for the Grand Canyon. It is surprisingly clear, because if you've hiked down at the bottom of the Grand Canyon, I think we've been down over the Tanner and the New Hans trails, it is very silty water at the bottom. Cathedral Wash is an interesting hike and a worthwhile break for a couple of hours while driving past on the way to the Grand Canyon North Rim.